Yeah, welcome to Turo St. Joseph's software development class on how to create PayPal account in Ghana for online transactions. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how we can actually create PayPal account in Ghana and make payments to people within the country and outside the country. So, before we start, I want us to understand that Ghana is not a part of the PayPal countries. That is to say that if you want to create PayPal account in Ghana, you will have to first of all have a particular country's PayPal code or the website to that country's PayPal account creation. So in this video, let's take our time and watch step by step on how to create PayPal account for free in Ghana. So this is Turo St. Joseph who is taking you through this tutorial. So we are just getting started. But before you start to learn how to create PayPal account, you have to first of all make your email address and then your contact details ready. Then your ID card, either national or any of the identification card that you may have. So I'm going to use my PC to take you through how to create a PayPal account. But I don't know, you can use phone too to create the PayPal account. So when you open your PC, you look for your web browser, either Chrome or Google. If it's phone tool you're using, you just look for a web browser, your search engine, then you click on it. So okay, you click on your web browser. The network is very slow, so that is why I'm getting some challenges. But let's take our time and everything will be well for us. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this is my web browser that has been opened. So now that your web browser is opened, please let's wait, the network is very slow. Good. So now that your web browser is open, then you go to enter this address, PayPal. Okay. I want to share my keyboard with you so that you can see what is there. Okay, so now that your web browser is open, then you enter paypal.com/ls. paypal.com/ls. Now the LS means Lesotho. Lesotho is a country, as we all know. I told you Ghana is not part of PayPal countries, and for that matter, you have to use a particular country's website or their PayPal code to have access to, let me say, a room where you can be able to create your PayPal account. So I am using paypal.com/Lesotho because I've made a lot of transactions using the Lesotho PayPal account. So now that you have entered your PayPal account address or the website of a PayPal account creation, then you click on your enter key. Okay, good. So you can see what has come on the screen. Yeah, this is what you see on the screen. Then this is the logo for PayPal account. This is personal, this is business, this is partners and development. So when you get to this point, you scroll down. You can see. Good. So then you click on get started. Okay, so now you have click on get started. But first of all, you have to know that the PayPal account, we have business PayPal account and personal PayPal account. So maybe you are creating your account for a business, and someone is also creating his or her account for personal use. So you will have to select from these two options. You can see that we have personal account and we have what business account. So if it is business account you are creating, then you have to click on the business account. If you are creating personal account, then you have to also click what on personal account. So on this note, I am taking you through how to create PayPal account, business PayPal account, but the process are the same. Okay, there's no any difference in you creating personal account than you creating business account. So I'm taking you through the business one so that it will be very easy for you to take yourself through how to create a personal account. So I will come and click on business account, then click on enter. Okay, so now you can see that a room has been opened and they're asking you to enter an email address. Okay, it says sign up for a business account. Enter the email address you will use to sign up or log in. So this is our first time we are creating this PayPal account. So it means that we are going to sign up, not logging in. Logging in is when you already have the account and you want to access it. So you enter the email address here. So now I'm entering my email address. For the sake of this, this is the email address I'm using. If you want, you can copy it. It's all on to you. But I don't really, it's not actually an authentic email address. So as gmail.com. Okay, so good. Now that you have entered your email address, then you press continue. Okay, so they say you should enter password. So this password is not necessarily your email address password, but any password that you can enter and remember, a strong password that you can use to only access your PayPal account. So this password you are entering, you have to take notice of it, because when you are to log in, you will have to enter the same password in order to have access to your PayPal account. So now you enter your password here. So I'm entering my password. So I'm entering my password here. Okay. TJ. That's my password. If you want, you can copy. Okay, so now that you have finished entering your password, then you click on continue. Okay, good. So you can see that you can see on what is on the screen. They say tell us about your business. They are going to tell PayPal account about your business, so that anyone who is to make payments to you, this information will be found in the person's details. Okay, so that the person will know that he or she is making the payments to the right person. And when you also make payments to anyone within or outside the country, this same information will be seen from the receiver, showing that you are the one that have made the payments to him or her. So you are going to enter your business contact details here, and that is your first name. Okay, you enter your business contact details. First legal name. So the name you are going to enter here should be legal. So I'm going to enter my name here. Okay, so I've entered my first name. Then you go to second legal name. That's the last legal name. Then Joseph. Okay, so you go to business name. What is the name of your business? So you have to enter the business name here. I don't know the name of your business, but I am entering my business name as Google. Google Class as my business name. So I don't know the name of your business. Okay, so good. Now that you have entered this, then you come down to enter your business phone number. But this place, remember, you are not going to enter Lesotho here. You are going to put your the contact of your business, and that is your contact. But if you know you have a business contact which is different from your personal contact, you can put it here. But before you can put it, you have to check to make sure that the country code correlates with your contact. If not, it will not pick. You can see that the country code that is here is +266, and that is not Ghana code. Okay, so you have to make sure that you select the code here to Ghana so that you can be able to enter your details. So I'm trying to make the selections here. Let's look for Ghana and select. Okay, so this is Ghana +233. Now you have selected Ghana, so you have to now enter your number. So if you enter your number now, it will pick. But initially, if you don't select the country code correctly and you enter any number of yours, it will not pick. So 024. Okay, 055587. Yes. Zero triple five 87 Okay, so when you are done with that, then you come down to enter your business address. This one they say address 1, so I don't know your business address, but me, I'm putting my business address as care of VRA. PO Box. Okay, so this is my business address. Yeah, so now that you have entered your business address 1, if you have address 2, you can put. Then you go to city or village or town. Then you put the city or village or town name. Okay. Now, so this is my city or village I am going to put. So you put the city or village. Then I put Wa. Then you go to region or state. So this place we are going to put a region. Upper West. Okay. Now this place is postal code. So postal code is if you know the digital address of your business or your personal house location or your resident, this is where you put your postal code. So you just have to, but I want to show you how to get your postal code or your digital address. you go to Google Play Store and install GPS Ghana Post. It is an application. So when you install GPS Ghana Post into your phone, then you sign in. When you sign in anywhere, any square you find yourself, any location you find yourself, then you go to that app. The app will give you the digital address of that location. So when you do that, then you, maybe if it is business that you are creating the PayPal account for, then you go to your business center and open that app, and the app will give you the digital address code of that your business center. Or if it is your own personal account you are creating, then you just have to go to your house, your hometown, your house, and sit and open that app. So the app will give you the digital address of your house. Okay, so I already know my digital address or postal code, so I'll enter it here. So this is how it looks like. Remember that digital address code is not the same for everybody. Your location will tell the digital address you use. Okay, so if you use someone's digital address, you are doing yourself. If people are looking for your business, that is where it will send a person to. The person will go to different place. The person will not come to your business center. So you have to use your personal digital address where your business is located. Exactly. So people can easily trace your business using the digital address. Okay, so here we have primary currency. So the primary currency is actually the currency that people can make transactions to you. You can check critical that in Ghana here most of our online transactions is always in dollars. Okay, but the system, they can make the conversion for you. So you have to select US dollars. But if you are not in Ghana here, you are in other countries and you are watching this video, you can select any currency depending on where you find yourself. But I am in Ghana and I'm selecting US dollars because it's US dollar that we popularly use in Ghana here, especially on our online businesses. But maybe you are in other countries, so you have to, maybe you are in Canada, you have to select Canadian dollar. Okay, you have to select Canadian dollar. So now that you have selected the primary currency, you go to, you are using some people's service, PayPal service. So you have to agree to PayPal terms and conditions. If you don't agree, they will not allow you to continue. So you have to come and click on this box. Now you see that it has marked green. So now that it has marked green, then you go to click on agree and continue. Okay, so I've clicked on the agree and continue. Okay, so now you can see another place they have opened for us. They say you enter your business type. Your business, is it personal, is it corporation, is it a sole proprietorship or partnership? So this is where you select it. So if it is personal, you select personal. If it is sole proprietorship, then you select. Now they say you enter keywords for your business. Okay, so the keyword for your business, you watch on what will happen here. It will give you some suggestive keywords for you to use. So let's see what we'll see here. Okay, you can see discount store, industrial suppliers, correspondence schools, snow mobile dealers, timeshares. Then we have caterers. So you will look for the one that matches with your business and select. If it is religious organization business, you select that one. There are a whole lot of business keywords that are here. So you will have to check on that and select. Okay. So I am just selecting anything for the sake of this demonstration so that we will know what to do next. So I'm clicking on I'm clicking on discount store. Now then you go to business URL. Business URL is like a website. Okay, maybe if your business has a website, you will have to enter here. But if you don't have a website, you can skip this option and continue. It's not compulsory. Okay, so you click continue. Okay, so now this is what you see here again. You can, when you look on the screen, you see that tell us more about you. So this is where you tell the public about yourself. So you put your date of birth, your nationality, your document ID, then, so it means that if at the initial stage you use a wrong name, then this place, if you put now use your correct document, it will not match because they will have a wrong name, then correct what? Document number. The document here is about your ID card, either national, voter passport, or any other card that can identify you authentic. You can use any of the cards that is authentic in your country. So I am using voter ID card. Okay, so here I have to first of all enter my date of birth. So for the sake of this demonstration, my date of birth is going to be 23rd. Okay, my date of birth is going to be 31st. January 1956. That's my date of birth for the sake of this demonstration. Now, nationality, you are not going to select Lesotho. You are going to select your country. Anywhere you are watching this video from, you have to select the country in which you are from. If you are from Iran, you select Iran. If you are from Italy, you select Italy. But me, I am from Ghana, so I will select Ghana. Okay, so all those who are from Ghana and they are watching this video from, so if you are creating the PayPal account, you have to select Ghana. Okay, now you come to identity card. Then you select, if it is passport, then you select passport. If the driver license, then you select driver license. So national ID card, I will select that one. Now you enter national ID number. Okay, so my own is voter ID. Then I have to use the voter ID number. Okay, so here is my ID number. Don't enter wrong ID number, because if you enter wrong ID number, you are doing yourself. So you have to enter the correct one. Okay, so when you finish entering your ID number, then what you do next is you go to enter your home address. Okay, so this place, if your home address is the same as your business address, so what you do is that you click on this box. Okay, you can see the same as business address. So if it is the same as business address, you select on this. So they will copy your business address automatically to this place for you. And you can see that this was what I entered as my business address. Okay, so now you click on submit. Okay, now you can see on my screen what is there. You can see they say welcome to PayPal business account, get paid now. You have summary, you have payments, you have activity, reports, tools, more, then help. So if you come to tools, you can see business setup, invoicing, request money, resolution center, send money, all tools. So if you want to send money, then you come to the tools and select send money. If you want to request money, then you select request money. Okay, now you can also see something here like payments. This payment here, where you can see my cursor is when someone send you money, you will get an update. Okay, in your email, you receive an email message. That is why you don't need to enter wrong email when you start to create your PayPal account. You have to enter your personal email address, so that when someone sends you money, the person will enter your email address and you receive a message. So when you come to these payments, your balance will show in the PayPal account here. Okay, your balance, the balance that will show here. So I just created this PayPal account. Let's go to see the balance I have. So you click on the payments. Good. So you can see money. Okay, $0.00 US. That is my available what? Current amount of money that I'm having. So it means I haven't received any money yet, and I haven't made any transaction. You get it? So now remember something. Please, you can link your PayPal account to your bank account. Okay. Now how do you do that? When you come to banks, you can see it here. There's a link a new bank. So if you click on this plus sign, it will link. You enter your bank account details. Then it will link your bank account to your PayPal account. So someone can, when the person pays the money to you, it will go to your bank account. Now you can also see here, you can also link your credit cards, other MasterCard or any debiting card. You can link them here. So when you click on this plus symbol here, it will open another page for you to enter the details. And because I'm not ready to link my bank account details, so I don't want to click there. But if you click, you see all the necessary information that will be there. Okay, so let's click on the banks for the sake of other people who will not know what to put. Okay, you can see here, it says link a bank account. Now, account type, checking or saving. So if you're checking, then you put it there. Now they are saying that you should put bank routing number. If you don't know your bank routing number, you contact your district or your bank managers for the routing number. It's always on your your withdrawal book. Okay, bank routing number is always on your withdrawal book, then you pick it. So you can see here, business name, Google Class, personal, Turoson Joseph. Then when you enter the bank, you see the bank names you match with your name or your business name. So if it matches with your name, the moment you enter the routing number, then you enter the account name, then you come and click if it is a business name that it goes with. Okay, if that account number you are given is for the business, then you come and click on this box where you can see business. If it is your personal account you are giving out, then you have to come and click personal. Then when you finish with that, then you click agree and link. Okay, agree and link. So I think that is what we do here. Then